Hey
Hey guys.
guys, welcome to the 2020-2021 school year.
Let's do it.
We're having technical difficulties. Oh, there we
There it
go.
is.
A very warm welcome to each and every one of you. We all have eagerly awaited this day, and I know I cannot wait to meet and get to know each of you. I'm looking forward to a fun and fantastic year in the library.
And it's going to be great.
Now we'll have to bear with me. My computer is going kind of slow.
Technology.
Yes.
It's a beautiful thing. It's a lot of work. There she is.
Hey, I am Miss Baker. I will be assisting you in the library this year along with Miss Hunter. I'm new to Missouri as my family and I just moved here from Louisiana. I have two littles that will be attending Plato too. We are happy to be joining the community and the Plato school family. Go Eagles!
Yay. And you all know I'm Miss Hunter. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm looking very forward to meeting you all. I am so excited to be back together with you all. I've missed you so much. Mrs. Baker will be in the library with you this year while I'm working with students over in the English classroom in the high school. Guess what? They love to read too, and we get to read stories there. So don't worry though, I'll still be in the library from time to time helping Miss Baker out. Miss Baker's a wonderful person who loves to read and loves kids. See you soon.
I've already done that.
Welcome.
Welcome again.
Oh my goodness.
So before this next slide comes on, I'll tell you a little. Up there it is. So I have created a classroom or library, um, just in case if we do have to go virtual, or if any of you decide your kids want to be virtual, they can actually still come to the library and have, do and have fun things. On my whiteboard there that you see, I will load YouTube videos of me reading. The little puzzle on the table is interactive, and so are the little basket full of blocks. Also on the bookshelves right here, they're empty at the moment, but I have worked on it and there are some things on it. There's a book where you can click on it and it'll take you to a website where it'll have a book reading. We are going to have lots of fun this year. And if you're wondering, well, how do we get the link to that? Trying to get this slide to come up, but each one of your teachers has a dojo class dojo, and we also will be using Remind. So don't worry, I will get you the info out there. Also, if you need to contact me or Bonnie, you can email us at jbaker@plato.12. That's supposed to be K12.mo.us.
And of course, you can reach me at bhunter at the same address.
Open house this year will be held virtual on August 20th from 4:30 to 7. Zoom links for the teachers meeting will be found on the district homepage at platoorb.org.
And a lot of the information is the same as far as on each individual slide regarding COVID and the things that we're dealing with. I know you'll have a lot of these slides to watch if your child has, more than one teacher. So
Right now, we're going to get into the procedures that have been updated due to COVID, the coronavirus.
for transportation, if possible, students and families are encouraged to provide their own transportation to and from school. Students that ride the bus will be assigned seats on the bus with household units. Parents are asked to provide face masks for their children, and they are recommended to be worn on the bus as your children ride. I think I meant to say as your child rides.
Well, children rides is good too. So pickup procedures have also changed to allow for increased efficiency and safety. Due to COVID-19 guidelines, we ask that parents wait in their vehicles for the children to be dismissed to them. You can watch this video, which I'm thinking that they'll have it where you can watch it. Because on my presentation, I don't think you can click on it to see how we can keep each other safe during drop off and pickup.
Schedule. Physical activity and arts education are important to overall student well-being. Classes will continue to be offered with modifications and precautions in place to provide for safety and social distancing. Recess will be held one class at a time, and specials may be held in the classroom when necessary.
Meals and snacks. Breakfast and lunch may need to be eaten in classrooms or in groups of fewer than 50, depending upon state and local guidelines. Students are allowed to bring their own lunches from home. However, microwaves will not be accessible. Just a little advice. They sell these great little thermoses at Walmart, where you can warm up your food at home, keep it in the thermos, ravioli, spaghettios, soups. That way at lunchtime it's still warm. So that'll be a good substitute.
Celebrations. Students will not be able to bring in treats from home for birthday parties or celebrations due to current health guidelines.
I know that really stinks.
Mm-hmm.
We like celebrating birthdays.
Mm-hmm. I guess that means the teachers don't get an apple either.
No. After school events. A signed waiver or permission slip will be required to attend after school tutoring or school organized events.
Seen a lot of that this summer already
Yeah.
with sports events and what have you.
Visitor policy.
Due to COVID-19 guidelines, admitting parents and visitors to the building have changed. Please remain in your vehicle and call the office once you arrive at the school. Office staff will meet you outside, and parent meetings will take place, in the former preschool building on the corner of Plato Drive.
And we click, well, there we go.
There we go.
Technology. So students in grade pre-K through 1 will be issued an iPad. Grades 2 through 12 students will be issued a Chromebook. Insurance and user agreement information will be sent home during the first days of school. So be looking for that. Students will be provided a login information card.
Those login information cards are really cool too.
Really?
All the information. It's really handy for the students and I would think for their parents as well.
Yeah.
Caregivers.
For those that aren't technically inclined.
Goodness, this is all about distance learning, this slide. We have created the following 3 phases to address potential COVID-19 guidelines during the 2020-21 school year. The district will be only in one phase at a time, and the phase will be determined by the status of the pandemic. At this time, thank goodness, school will open in phase 3, seated classes.
And we're hoping that we stay in phase 3 and we never have to go into those other phases.
Absolutely.
Or we just altogether get out of the pandemic.
That's right.
COVID updates. There are many unknowns and a lot of changing guidance regarding the best way to keep our students and staff safe. Guidance from DESE,
DESE,
the CDC, and area health departments are being utilized to create plans to support safe reentry to school.
And we have read a lot of them. Students must bring their own water bottle. Water fountains will not be used, but the water bottle station portion of the fountain will be available. So that is a really handy feature of our water fountains, just a refillable water bottle that you can stick under a faucet, and then the water just fills the bottle up, and it's wonderful.
And I would recommend writing your kid's name on the water bottle
That's a good idea.
in more than one place.
Yes.
We ask that students refrain from bringing personal items to school unless it is absolutely necessary to the educational process. Any items brought to school, such as backpacks and water bottles, should be cleaned at home each night. Clean, clean, clean.
These guidelines are continuously changing. Please be flexible as guidelines may change as we receive new guidance. Thank you for your understanding.
And don't worry, all of your babies will be greatly taken care of, and we assure you we will do our best to keep them healthy and safe. And on a little encouraging note, here is one of my all-time favorite scriptures.
Aw.
If it'll come up. Let my teaching fall like rain, and my words descend like dew, like showers on new grass, like abundant rain on tender plants. That's Deuteronomy 32:2.
That's great. I love that. You're going to be in good hands.
See y'all soon.
Bye.